So I've got my overhead rig set up here, Canon Rebel T3 with a Pebble from Hobolite. It's a receiver up there. And then I have the remote shutter. So I'm gonna be taking photos with this guy here. 85mm lens aimed downward. Everything's turned on and ready to go. I'll be using different still life objects throughout the day, starting with this lens here, this 35mm lens. Really enjoy using it. Wanted to see how it looks on camera. My first light source is a Hobolite Micro. Second light source is a Hobolite Iris. So don't have to have huge lights to light this small object. And just gonna see the kind of still lifes I can get today. I'm gonna start by turning this on. Button press in the back, twist, and I have a red filter on there. So everything's gonna be lit red on this side. And on this side I have my iris, and I have a gel in here as well. And using a Fresnel, just turn this on here, button press, and turn. And I get a nice light, secondary light source. Nice reds and teals there. So I have it set up, the receiver's going, button press here will enable me to take my shots, like so. So I'm shooting in manual, really experimenting with that. I've got my two light sources, so I'm not using the flash on board the actual camera. Just trying out my Hobolites and just seeing how things come out in manual. But I like the results. I'm gonna experiment with some still lifes today in between the other work I have to do. And yeah, just gonna see how it looks after that.